Ah. I didn't want to get run over by a truck. High school ends in 4 days. So I have 4 days left of school. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And it's basically 1 week except for Wednesday. Things are boring on Wednesday. Of course it is. So it's just like a chill cycle. Today's gonna be busy, so I'm not really gonna have that much time to post as often. But when school's over, I will start posting more frequently. But I do have some camps. Probably won't film that using my phone, which is stupid because laws, rules. It's a private school camp, so I can't really break any of those. So it's spelled, but it's fine. Really fine. Only 2 weeks of that, and then 2 weeks of camps, and then maybe a trip. It's definitely a trip to Seattle, which I'll probably just try filming there. But like, what am I gonna film in Seattle? Maybe like some stuff at the bobblehead thing. I don't know. Dog. It's mine. 7 here. And of course, there has to be people walking in my general direction. Can I go out and have some peace and quiet around here? I guess not. It's kind of my fault for going to a playground, but like still. That is so many people listening. I am Steve. Like you are not Steve. So yeah. We're losing brain cells at school. How fun. And a huge dog. I don't know. And for that sake, like literally Shark Tank, be like, only for that reason, I'm out. This thing's stupid, I'm out. You're an actual genius, I'm out. Car. That is the weirdest back of a Jeep I've ever seen. Is that even a Jeep? I don't know. What's the pedal? There's a fucking car in my general direction with a dog out the window. And it turned. Okay, good. Okay. Pausing. There's like a bug on my fucking face. Do not have a frequent schedule. I also don't expect one. I post when I can. That's my schedule. Today was my birthday party. So yeah. People are like, your knuckles are red. Do you box? No, I bike. There's a difference. Is there a lawnmower? Lawnmower. Wow. Why is it speeding up? Oh, big dog. Think of this. It's all over the road. It's not. Okay. Peace out.